The government's laws-making entitles and departments have peppered newspapers paged with phoning congratulatory messages to President Emmerson Mnangagwa on his assuming of the rotational chairmanship of SADC during the regional bodies summit on Saturday. Sana bila mashwa bila nyongo mzara nas tiona ewa Idi Mnangagwa achuya achiti vanhu congratulate nyongo zwa ari illegitimate not bo subscribe like or turn on the bell. Tibina mgom chinzi Mnangagwa under fire for presiding over a bitter state crackdown on opponents in the rights defenders took over the post from Angolan President Joao Lourenço at the ceremony held at the new Hamped Parliament building in Harare the last weekend. The summit was boycotted by Zambian leader Hakainde Hichilema, long viewed as a Zimbabwean opposition ally. Part of the stampede to congratulate Mnangagwa was the office of the President Cabinet, which said, as the new SADC chair, Mnangagwa carries the hopes of the sub-region in fostering peace building and driving socio-economic transformation. Domashwa tukona rubuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa don't Idi Mnangagwa aiwa and secretary donachita aiwa departments ese kwese kunofana congratulate mtukamiri wenyika wemasonda Mnangagwa for chairmanship vakawana don't panapa vanenge chikomindeme wachinzi yes vakawana chairmanship kunyango manga mune human rights violations munyika yeZimbabwe zvatikaona kuti kunyango ine ari kunzi president weZambia ari kunzi ndiye ally weopposition yenyika yeZimbabwe akatoboyikota noda kuti anoona kuti aiwa zviriitika munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa that post haingafiti kuti ipinde munyika yeZimbabwe kana kuti kune the illegitimate Emmerson Mnangagwa. Masvika rubuda panapa chinyogwa pinda mukome section medu mutudze munoti kudi pamusoro penhau iyi pinda mukome section medu subscribe like konjino turn on the bell icon.